Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about a free chatbot which is powered by Google, that is updated version Gemini Pro, as you have many of you are aware about that. So let us go on to today's video and explore the chatbot. So whether that Gemini Pro update will generate a better content or not. So whether the content generated will be better than a ChatGPT content or not. So let's go on and discuss that tool. An important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct a comprehensive MATLAB workshop from basics to advanced applications. So if you want to learn more about MATLAB, so this will be a better opportunity for you to learn about MATLAB. In this workshop, we are going to explore MATLAB environment and we are going to analyze different types of basic syntax available in MATLAB, 2D and 3D plotting in MATLAB, and we are also going to explore different types of toolbox, that is neural network, fuzzy logic and ANFIS toolbox in MATLAB, and also we are going to make a live PID controller tuning to get the desired output for your application. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. So this is the new chatbot we are going to explore today. You can see here chatgemini.net. So this is powered by Google, that is ChatGemini, updated by Gemini Pro API. So it's free. Actually it is very free. You can generate unlimited content. So first question I have explored with explain about renewable energy. So in this I have given an input prompt like explore about renewable energy. So here this is the content which is generated by this ChatGemini. So here you can see renewable energy is derived from natural resources that can be replaced over a short period of time. So like that it will generate a detailed explanations on detailed content regarding that renewable energy. So here you can see here. So the solar energy, wind energy, hydropower, biomass, geothermal, and here also you can see renewable energy sources have several benefits also. It also listed some of the benefits associated with renewable energy, and also you can see challenges associated with renewable energy sources. Like that the common content related with renewable energy sources will be generated. So after that, so you can click on clear. So then you can use our research prompts. So here in order to do that, so I am going to copy 5 different references. So copy the 5 different references. So I'm go and copy this 5 different references. So and then you can give an input prompt, make a literature review using the above references with proper citation. So after that click enter. So let us see how this chat Gemini will generate content. I think it is started to generate the content. So here you can see a common top, that is in recent years there has been growing interest in grid connected photovoltaic system. There are a number of different types of grid connected inverters available, each has its own advantages and disadvantages. One common type of grid connected inverter is 3-phase boost converter. So like that it uses the data from that particular, that is title of that from the title it will generate the content. So it not cited properly, but it is showed it is given as a reference here. So it is not cited in the paragraph. So like that you can generate a common content using this ChatGemini. So but the content generated will be a worth one. So here you can see a detailed content regarding all the 5 papers. By observing the topic of the 5 papers, it has generated the content. So like that you can if you want to generate a brief content, that is elaborated content, so you can use this option to generate a elaborated content. So next we will explore with some other option. Here you will be having an option called chat with a picture. So it will be coming soon, it is not updated. So if it is done, means you can upload your image and you can get the explanation of the image in seconds. So let us explore with some other research prompts. So here I am going to give generate an abstract in about 200 words for the title. Machine learning algorithms in MPPT, that is maximum PowerPoint tracking in PV system. So this is the input prompt I am going to give. Generate an abstract in about 200 words for the title. Machine learning algorithms in maximum PowerPoint tracking in PV system. So this is input prompt I am going to give. So let us see whether this chat Gemini will generate a better content or not. Here you can see that our content is generated. So here with keywords itself it is generated. So here you can see maximum PowerPoint tracking is a critical technique used in PV system to maximize the power output of the PV array. Traditional MPPT algorithms such as perturb and observe incremental conductance widely used due to their simplicity and effectiveness. So machine learning algorithms have been proposed as a promising approach to overcome the limitations of traditional MPPT algorithms. So this will give you a better abstract. So you can see here, and also you can see the keywords machine learning, maximum PowerPoint tracking, photovoltaic system, solar energy, etc. So like that it is generated a better abstract also. So again I am going to use the same prompt here. So and I am going to ask the outline for a thesis. So here copy and paste the content, generate an outline for the thesis title machine learning algorithms. I am going to give the same topic again. So here in this prompt I have asked for to generate outline for a thesis, and then click enter. So here you can see that the thesis title, that is the subtopic of the thesis, generated. So here you can see background and motivation, problem statement, objective of the thesis, scope and limitations of the thesis, methodology. So here you can see literature review, that is traditional MPPT algorithms, ML based MPPT algorithms, advantages and disadvantages of different MPPT algorithms. So like that. Next you can see proposed ML based MPPT algorithm. In this you have to mention the ML, that is machine learning algorithm details. So next is simulation results and experiments, conclusion and future scope, so future work. So probably this will be a better thesis outline also. So you can make use of this thesis outline to generate your content. So like that you can make use of this chat Gemini to generate a better content. It is for free. You can make use of this chatbot to download unlimited content, so generate unlimited content. So only thing is that the important thing is that you have to give a perfect prompt. A perfect prompt always gives a perfect results. So if you work even often with this chat Gemini, you can get an idea how this works out by changing the prompt. So you can play with your prompts, research prompts in this chat Gemini to get better results. So it will giving better results only. So you can make use of this chat Gemini to generate unlimited content for free. So hope this video will be very helpful for you. So don't forget to check this chat Gemini and explore with your prompts and play with your prompts. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.